Imagine a world where your thoughts control machines. Cars fly above traffic like planes. And doctors are not human anymore, but AI robots. Now imagine this. This is not science fiction anymore. This could be the world of 2050. And today, I'm going to show you the top 5 technologies that could completely change human life forever. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Nexora, where we explore the future of science, space, and technology before it becomes reality. Today's video is going to blow your mind, because we are not talking about fantasy. So make sure you watch till the end, because number 1 might completely change what it means to be human. So let's start the video. At number 5, flying cars. Imagine waking up in the morning, and instead of traffic jams, you just fly over the city. Companies are already testing real flying vehicles. By 2050, roads might become skies, and traffic could disappear forever. At number 4, AI doctors. Future hospitals may not need human doctors for everything. AI could scan your body in seconds, detect diseases before symptoms even appear, and create perfect treatment instantly. Healthcare could become faster, cheaper, and far more accurate. At number 3, smart contact lenses. Phones might disappear completely. Everything you see on your phone, messages, maps, videos, could appear directly in your eyes. You won't hold a device anymore. You will become the device. At number 2, brain chips. Humans may one day control technology using only thoughts. No typing, no speaking, just thinking. Some experts even believe humans could download information directly into the brain. But this raises a big question. How much of us will still remain human? And finally, at number 1, hologram worlds and full virtual reality. By 2050, digital worlds may feel completely real. You could attend meetings as a hologram, travel inside virtual cities, and interact with AI humans that feel real. Even touch, emotions, and senses could be recreated digitally. At that point, the line between reality and virtual world may completely disappear. So these were the top 5 technologies that could exist by 2050. The future is not far anymore. It's already starting. Now I want to ask you something. Would you want to live in this future, or are we going too far? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to Nexora for more future content. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay futuristic.